Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're going to introduce you to rates and unit rates. The learning goal is I can calculate the unit rate. What is a rate? A rate is a ratio that compares two quantities that are measured in different units. Often when dealing with rates, we use unit rates. A unit rate has a denominator of 1. It means per one of something. Some examples of unit rates are miles per gallon. Notice the fraction line is the word per. Miles per hour is another example. And dollars, or the amount of money per quantity. We can find this by setting up a fraction by thinking which number goes in the numerator and which goes in the denominator. Step 2, we divide the numerator by the denominator. This will give us a denominator of 1. Here are some examples. Let's say we purchase 15 oranges for $8.25. I want to figure out the unit rate. Therefore, I want to find out how much each orange costs me. So I set up a fraction. $8.25 over my 15 oranges. Then I use my calculator and I do 8.25 divided by 15. And my answer is 55 cents per orange. Always label your answer with the dollar sign and then write the word per orange. The next example says 145 miles in 2.5 hours. So I think to myself, if I were to travel 145 miles in 2.5 hours, how many miles per hour is this? So I would write my fraction as 145 miles over the 2.5 hours. Then when I type this into my calculator, I would do 145 divided by 2.5, and I get the answer of 58, and I can abbreviate miles per hour in mph. Remember that the fraction line is the word per, and this does make sense. I could travel 58 miles per hour. Now you're going to try the You Try problems on the next page, and we will go over these in class.